Visuals coming in of Lalu Yadav's family coming out to vote. Is Lalu Yadav there? Because
के भविष्य के लिए वोट करें और महागठबंधन को अपना समर्थन दें।
अरे वहाँ चलो वहाँ चलो गाड़ी लेके हाँ हो भैया गाड़ी लेकर आइए
और पूरे बिहार के जनता से, महिलाओं से, बच्चे से, जवान बच्चों से सबसे अपील है कि वोट डालें, निकले घर से। सबको मेरा अनुरोध है, प्रार्थना है। सबको मैं धन्यवाद देती हूँ, शुभकामना देती हूँ कि सब कोई अपना अपना वोट डाले।
इस बार बदलाव होगा मैम?
बदलाव होगा, जनता बदलाव करेगी।
All right, Rabri Devi there speaking to the media. The entire Lalu Yadav family, not Lalu Yadav, they're coming out. They'll be casting their vote as well. It's very interesting, viewers. The spotlight is on Lalu Yadav. This is one election where one can say, it's come full circle. The stalwarts or the most political dominant players that have dominated the Bihar landscape for decades now. This, many would suggest, is the curtain call for leaders like Lalu Yadav, at least where politics is concerned. Many would suggest for even leaders like Nitish Kumar. So the spotlight firmly on them and the families. It's interesting. The Yadav family has not won, their own son, who's the chief ministerial face, standing from the constituency of Raghavpur, which is the Jeswi, but they also have their estranged son. All right, so you have Tejasvi fighting from Raghavpur to reclaim Raghavpur. That's one battle. Earlier on, there were indications or at least speculations that seemed to suggest he's going to fight on 2 seats. He laid that to rest, filed his candidacy from the seat of Raghavpur. But like I said, the Yadav family has not one but 2 sons in the fray. One, the chief ministerial candidate, and the other one, viewers, is estranged son, Tej Pratap, who is contesting from the seat of Mahua. Right now, Mahua, many say could go down to the wire. Sitting MLA of RJD there, but you have Tej Pratap, who's estranged, who's taken off on his own, forming his own outfit, fighting against the RJD and the NDA. All right, Tarapur is where the Deputy Chief Minister from Munger district is fighting Samrat Chaudhary, and this wasn't his traditional seat, but this is a place where his family has a stronghold. So interesting in that account as well, where he comes back to fight from Tarapur. Maithili Thakur, the young face of the BJP, a woman, a performer, is fighting from Alinagar, Darbhanga district. So these are some of the top faces, viewers, that are taking to the fray, the key candidates. Khesari Lal Yadav, another person that you just heard from Chhapra there. Khesari Lal Yadav, a very popular Bhojpuri singer. And the RJD's bid in Chhapra to reclaim Lalu's legacy or Lalu's Karambhumi.